solve a question from class 9. And this is of exercise 12.1, question number 1. What this question is saying, let's go to follow accordingly. A traffic signal board. You might have seen on the roadside there is a traffic signal is there, and on that always roadside you can see indicating the school ahead, okay, is an equilateral triangle with side A. So you can see on the roadside this type of, you can see the different types of traffic signal which is indicating that is road is ahead. Like that you might have seen a lot of places in a on the roadside you might have seen, right? So it is just like maybe in a triangular shape is there, and which it is given that side is A, right? And it is an equilateral. Equilateral means a triangle whose all sides are equal in length. Got it? So equal in length, it means you can say if it is A, then this will be also A. This will be also A. Correct?
Yes.
So this is a triangular shape of the, you can say the signal is given. Where is written a school ahead. We can write also here, no problem. A school ahead. Correct?
Yes, sir.
I mean just a school may be somewhere else. It is going to be indicating that. So we have to find the area. It means whatever area is going to be occupied by this, means you can say the triangle part, you can say triangular part is there. This is the area we have to find of this. You got this? So we have to find the area. It is given that we have to find the area. We have to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. The formula which I have written here already, you can see it, right? But there is something is given. Its perimeter is given. Means sum of all three sides is given, that is 180 centimeters. Correct? So we have to find the area of the signal. So let's go to C first of all. Let's go to whatever is given in there. Let's go to write. So given, first of all, by given from this chapter, it is given that is a triangular shape of signal board. है ना? A triangular shape of a signal board whose is an equilateral triangle. Correct? By side of side, whose all sides you can say that is maybe there is given. So maybe it's A, B, B, C, C, A, whatever it will be there, that all sides are A, means three sides is there. Correct? It is given. No problem at all.
No.
But and it's given the perimeter, and perimeter is also given. What is given? Perimeter. What is their perimeter? Perimeter is given 180 centimeter. Correct?
Yes.
So with the help of this perimeter, we can find out its side, right? You write here since perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Simple. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all sides. So three sides will be there. And in this you can say that all sides are equal. So we can say that A plus A plus A. All three sides are equal. So it can be written in the form of 3A. That means 3 into side. So what we can write here now? 3 into side, or you can say the 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So A will be remain this side, and when 3 will come towards the right side, it will be 180 by 3, and when it will be divided, it will be 60 centimeter. So what we got? That each side of this is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Now we have got finally what we have got? The side of a triangle we are knowing now. The side of a triangle do we have? Then we can find out its semi-perimeter. It's not actually required to be write this kind of thing. So by this you can write there semi-perimeter. But side is required to be known. So semi-perimeter will be what? Semi-perimeter means P by 2, perimeter by 2. The perimeter is given 180. So we can write there 180 by 2. That will be 90 centimeter. We have got this semi-perimeter. We got that?
Yes, sir.
So let's go to solve. Now the area. Now you write that the area of a triangle is triangle. That it is given already here. We can write the same here. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Clear? Yes. Put this value now here. So here will be what? Root under S stand for 90. What I have written here? 90. So S is 90 here. We have got there 90 centimeter. So here will be 90 into 90 minus A. A side we have got 60. So we can write here now 60. Again 90 minus 60. Again 90 minus 60. All have the same. So we can write now the next step will be what? That will be 90 into 90 minus 60 will be 30. Correct? It will be 30. Again there will be 30. Again there will be 30. Correct? No problem at all. And this is given in centimeter. So we can write here centimeter square. Correct? Let's go to find out now. We will multiply there. If you will find the square root of this all, you can get this one. 90 can be also written in the form. You do just factorize. Okay? 90 can be written in the form of what? 3 into 3 into 10. 3 3 is 9, 10 is 90. Can be written. And 30 can be written in the 3 into 10. Again 3 into 10. Again 3 into 10. Can I write there? Now to get this square root out, we have to make the pair. So how many 3 are there? You can say that. One pair of this one. 3 and 3. 2 pair. Now this is the one remain will be there now. Yes, it will be remain here. So here will be 1, 3 will come out. Yes. How many the pair is there? It means one pair it is made there. Now 1 3 is there. Another 3 is there. 5 3 is there. So 2 pair we have got there now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the 2 pair, 3 triangle we can take 2, 3 we can take out from there. How many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 pair of 10 is there. So one more 10 can be taken. Another 10 can be taken. But 3 will remain inside this. Whose pair is not going to be. So where will be what? 3 3 is 9 and 10 10 is 100. The 9 into 100 will be 900 root under 3 centimeter square will be the area of that signal. Did you understand?